Alrighty, you beautiful fucking sluts and whores, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to be sharing with you today is my just like basic makeup routine. So I've been doing my foundation first, and I have the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. This is matte, and this is in the color Ivory. So I got my foundation on. So I take this concealer, and it's CoverGirl in light ivory. This is light ivory. And then what I do with this little bad boy is I just put it right underneath my under eyes like that, right there. And then I take it and I go up right there. Then take my little handy dandy sponge and just go in right there. And then I'll take that and like bring it up on my eye too, just because I feel like when you put concealer on your eye, it makes the eyeshadow more pigmented. So just like bring it up to the eye, down the cheek, up the cheek. And then, that's good. The babies, I'm trying to give them to you. Okay, sorry. Favorite part of my makeup, like, process. And it's this little cheek heat. So fucking cute. Literally, what I do, put a little bit on my cheek. Boop. And a little bit on this cheek. Oh! And then basically, we do just boop, 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 boop. And I actually just watched Addison Rae's, like, Vogue video. And she said she likes to put a little bit on her nose like this for, like, a little sunburnt look. So I think I'm going to try it, because Addison Rae is a baddie, as everyone knows. I need a bad bitch. Addison Rae. Shreddy is the baddest. Usually, instead of doing it across my bridge, I'll do it on the tip of my nose. But since I'm doing it across my bridge, I'm not going to do it on the tip of my nose. So, yeah. Well, that is drying because it is liquid, and I think that, I think everyone knows this, and if you don't know this, you need to know this. Don't put powder over liquid when it's still wet, because it'll literally get like stuck in, like, weird, and it won't look good. So while this is drying, I'm going to do my eyes. Anyways, so this is actually a palette I made on my own from Kylie. Like, Kylie has this thing where you get to pick out... Sorry, that was so... What just happened? Oh my god, wait. One of the fucking palette... What? Whoa! Okay. Cut the cameras. Well, I was trying to show you my palette that I made myself for Kylie. And my purple, like the dark purple sparkly one, just fell out. I looked for it for like 10 minutes. I just cleaned my room yesterday, so it's not even like it would be hard to look for it. And I can't find it. There's just a bunch of purple sparkles all over the fucking floor. So, I don't know. The palette I designed myself. Super cute. I love it. And the colors that I'm going in with today, I don't know the names of them. I should name them myself, huh? Okay, so I'm going to call this one right here, I'm going to call that brown sugar. So I'm going in with brown sugar. And I'm going to just put that on my crease. And like the lid in general. So really just in the crease, but then we're gonna drag it down to the lid too, like. Once we have that, we're gonna go like these. Unless you have more eyeshadow brushes than mine, then you could just get a new brush. And then we're gonna take this orange color, which I'm gonna call it pumpkin. And then we're gonna take pumpkin and then just kind of like see, it's not, obviously it's not very blended. What we're gonna do, I'm sure we got all the product off our brush, and then just gonna blend it all up. I like, me personally, I like to kind of bring it more in on the inside, just because I have big eyes. I feel like it complements really like wide eyes. I have a super brown lid, like a orangey brown lid, and then I take this like darker yellow color, and it's super sparkly. When I'm gonna, what should I call it? Stay Golden. So I'm gonna dip into Stay Golden, and first what I'd like to do actually is take a little finger of it and kind of just do my inside right there, and then bring it up, and then once it's on my eye, I take my little brush and I kind of just blend that. I'll take Stay Golden and kind of just drag it across my waterline. Make sure it's all just blending well together. So that is what that looks like. And I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that I finished the eyes, we're gonna go to lashes. And today I am not gonna be wearing my fake lashes just because my glue sucks, like genuinely, and it takes so much to put them on. The last selfies I posted on Instagram, I was wearing lashes and everyone ate that shit up, but Brie did my lashes, so I'm just not even gonna attempt to do them because the amount of mental pain and frustration that lashes give me is probably unhealthy. Like, truly unhealthy, period. What I do for my lashes, I take this is pretty old, not like old, but like it's almost out, you know, and like you can tell, like on this side is for brows, it has like a bunch of foundation residue, and this side's for mascara, a bunch of mascara residue. So it's about done. It's about lived its whole life. But I take this, and it's e.l.f. lash and brow primer, or it's actually clear brow and lash mascara, but I use that as like a primer. So I put that on, and then it just kind of sets like my eyelashes in place, because the thing that I hate about doing my mascara is that I like my eyelashes to look a certain way. I don't like them clumpy, I don't like them too thick. So with mascara, it's a hit or a miss. You know, you could go in and they could all be like super spread out and like just perfect, or they could get hella clumpy and just ugly looking, and that's why I don't like to use just to go straight in with mascara, just because it's too much. Too much. Absolutely too fucking much. So once my eyelashes are like in a state of mind where I'm like, okay, I like this, I take my mascara and I just put it on. Obviously, like any other bitch would. So, next pot is the bronzer. This is my favorite. Me just saying every makeup step is my favorite for, what, like 15 minutes? So, usually people will go in like right here with their contour, I've noticed. Whack. Makes you look... We take the contour, in this household, we take the contour right here. Right here. And then take it around town. See how much better that looks? Like, I actually look like I have cheekbones. Anyways, okay. So I used to be on that bake train, you know, bake your face, bitch. But I actually ran out of baking powder. Well, not baking powder, but like, use this to bake my face, and I'm all out. But I think it has been a blessing in disguise. You guys are probably judging the fuck out of me right now. You're like, why are you using that big ass brush to contour your fucking nose? Well, bitch, like I said before, I don't have no makeup brushes. If you want to send me some makeup brushes, let me know. Period. But I just take like the end and I just kind of go, where you at? Right underneath the nose. Like so. Like this. Hold up. Yeah, I'm never buying this highlighter again. But I like it. It's just like hard to get to the product. So take this big fat brush, just right there on your cheek. See, I like that way better. So 2 steps left. Eyebrows and lips. Anyways, this little e.l.f. brow kit, I have it in, I think it's like the darkest shade. And basically what you do, this is like a pomade. I think that's the right type of word for it. And then you take it into the powder. Actually, let me just have a little bit of foundation. Even though I try so hard not to get any foundation in my eyebrows, I swear it always happens. Always. You guys have the same problem or no? Okay, cool. I guess I'm the fucking only one here. Okay, let's get in to this. So, I just kind of go, like, I start off at the front and kind of like make a line where I want my eyebrow to like be defined. Go back in with it, and then I do the tail. Just kind of darken up the tail. And do like soft strokes upwards on this part just so it looks more natural. Like, I really like a natural brow. Not too big, still looks natural. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the other one off camera, and then just come back, show you guys, do my lippy, and then probably throw on an outfit really quick for you guys. Yeah. So, I promise you this is the last step of my makeup routine, and it's lips. So what I do is I take this like regular just like red lip, it's 525 Wine with Everything from Revlon, and I just kind of go like this in the middle of my lip and on top. Just like that. Rub it in a little. And then do a little pat. And then once that's all patted in, I take this, which is from Milani, and it is Keep It Full to Limp Plumper, and this is in the shade Tropical Shine, and it's 11. Sorry, I'm not a beauty influencer. And I just kind of take it over my lip. And rub it together. And then pull it all together. Do a little spritz. This is Wet n Wild. So that is how I do my everyday makeup look. Then I'll go ahead, throw something cute on to match.